Aditi, in the wedding space, there's so many women. I mean, at least in the planning space, I see. But there was a time when I used to see a lot of male chefs, but now there's so many women. And I'm sure you have a very women-heavy team too.
Yes.
When they travel, when they have to work late hours, there's always this thing about their safety, their security. What's your approach with that? And also, how encouraging is it to see so many women chefs? Like, where do these talent come from? How do you work on getting the best talent?
So I think also being, when I entered the industry, like you rightly said, was such a male-dominated industry that for me, even while I was building my team, it came very naturally to me to also want to have more women in my
Yeah,
team, that
yeah.
it became a more safe and comforting environment for myself.
Yes.
Where I could like discuss my grievances with
With-
with another person,
Yeah.
or made those team members almost my confidant as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
So it had to do a lot with also how I am as a person, and I've really grown my team as almost like an extended family.
Yes.
They are my extended family, not almost. And so when I go to work, it's also that it's a safe place for myself.
Yeah.
And I have always encouraged to get women on top, whether it's, Mirelle, who's our restaurant manager at Mars, started off not even being from this industry, is now the general manager of the restaurant.
Oh, lovely.
It's been a 7-year journey for her, but
Yeah.
and I would say she's one of the most fierce general managers in the industry today.
Yeah.
Like everybody is like wanting to take a page of her book.
Yeah.
And she's young and there's so much more that she can achieve. And so even like with my bakery project, like I have a woman chef helming the kitchen, or now I'm starting a pizza project, I have a woman chef helming it there. So, I mean, I'm trying to create these positions, but not like I have anything against male chefs and,
Of course, but
I mean,
there's so much opportunity, and I think that's great because I see a lot of women chefs now.
and I think that when you create that environment, even when we travel, we create that buddy
Yeah.
system where they are rooming together
Yeah.
and they are always coordinating with each other to make sure that each one are safe, even if they're having a good time.
True.
Even if they're staying in a, kind of sharing the hotel with other male chef, it's that they have created because they're more than one person,
Yeah,
right? I
yeah.
think the more you multiply that
It helps.
that space, it helps.
That's lovely, and that's really encouraging, and quite heartening to hear that.
Yeah, and I always love empowering my team, and I think also because luckily, like for me, that I'm also working in a very creative space, even
Yeah.
though it's food, that there are a lot of creative people in my team, and they naturally just happen to be women.